Today, we're diving into the Graco 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 convertible car seat in Hancock, a versatile and safe choice for your child from babyhood to preteen years. This car seat adapts through 5 stages, including rear-facing and forward-facing harnesses, a high-back belt positioning booster, a backless booster, and a seat belt trainer. With a 10% slimmer design at the cup holders compared to the 4Ever DLX, it saves space without compromising on comfort or safety. Installation is a breeze, thanks to SnugLock technology, allowing you to secure it in under a minute using either the vehicle seat belt or latch. The no-refred Simply Safe Adjust harness system ensures the headrest and harness move together effortlessly, providing adjustable comfort as your child grows. Plus, the removable seat belt trainer offers a unique stage for proper seat belt positioning, and it can even accommodate 2 kids at once when using the toddler car seat and seat belt trainer. With Graco's ProtectPlus engineered feature, you can trust that this car seat has undergone rigorous crash tests for effective protection in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.